Only one, hard copy,
The point
and
of
the other
that-
one is in soft copy.
The point I'm making, my lord, is that if there is an electronic register, which is the KIMS register, you may fail to be identified by your fingerprints.
Yes.
But there will be the alphanumeric way of getting you. That using of the ID number, the key in the ID number, you will be noticed that you exist there. Yeah. If you do not, but you exist in a hard copy register, then that hard copy register is not the copy of the KIMS register. Very well.
My lord, may I just clarify that particular point that he is seeking to make? My lord, the position is that whenever the biometric voter register is the register, whenever a voter is not identified biometrically or through the biometric voter register, then any other identification method is a complementary identification method. And that is what was even said in the Court of Appeal case that dealt with the issue. The register, the main register, is the biometric voter register. Any other method of identifying a voter is a complementary method, and which is why the Forms 32A then become very critical. Again, it is for the same reason the KIMS kit actually records the number of attempts that are made before a voter is identified in any other manner.
Okay. My lord, there's a lot of confusion. I was in the case.
No. We yes. Can't go on back and forth.
Yes. I thought to clarify that point because they're causing a lot of confusion unnecessarily. Yeah. Because I was in the two cases, in the High Court, in the Court of Appeal, and before this court. And what happened was that the court said the complementary mechanism for identifying voters is Regulation 69, Subregulation E. And the words are very clear. In case the electronic voter identification device fails to identify the voter, the presiding officer shall. So we all agreed that was a mechanism. And as my lord quoted very correctly, when that system that Mr. Mahat has explained comes to its end, there is a Form 32A to be filled. And that was the content then recorded in the Court of Appeal, together with the memo that my friend explained, and which is the subject of a very long document, which is part of our documents here, explaining in the fresh presidential election how that was implemented in compliance with that regulation. There is a specific regulation, and that is what it says.